Hi guys, so this is after such a long time you are seeing a travel video on my channel. So this is on the way to Manali. Now we have stopped here for a breakfast. So I'm very excited. I have no fixed plans this time. I like the itinerary is not fixed. The itinerary will be like very much flexible. It might change anytime. So I'm traveling with my friend. So I woke up with such a beautiful in this morning. अरे क्या बारे क्या बोल रहा हूँ? So I wake up in such a beautiful view this morning. I'll give you a room tour of that. Like this is the morning view. 1, 2, 3, 7. The room is already messed up because we slept last night here. So this is the mirror. You have a private washroom. You have a private washroom and 2 people can sleep here. And this is the view. You can sit here and work, and that's the view. So this is a great property, like for 600 per night, but we are in sharing basis. That's why we have to like pay 300 per night and see the view from here. So this is Biaskun Valley Hotel. Thank you. So we are leaving for Jogini waterfall, which is like 1-day hike from Himachal. From Manali. So my friend is all ready for the hike, and also me. Okay. And for going there, first you have to come to Vesis, and we are staying in Vesis only. That's why just we have to go like 1 kilometer from taxi. Then after that the hike starts. So we have reached this point from where we are starting our trek. And can you see a waterfall there? Here. Like that is the Jogini waterfall. Jogini waterfall. Safai ka dhyan rakhe. This is the mountain that we have to go. There is the waterfall. Let's go, come. Momo. Tag gaya dos. Yes, I'm so tired. So, like, there is a group of people here. जो गाना बजा के जा रहा है. It's like we came here in mountain peace के लिए, and ये लोग यहाँ speaker से गाना बजा के. Quite bad habit. And I'm eating this apple. Our battery low है. We have reached the waterfall. पानी यहाँ तक आ रहा है. I can feel that. Now all my tiredness are gone. I'm very happy now. Oh man, I see people making noise here. This is really disappointing. Like, local puja करने आया है जैसे. Wow, wow, go mamo.
I'm leaving home for the coastline.
Wow, finally. Oh my god. Okay, I see a dog here, and I miss my pulse. Polly, my dear. Hi, dogs. Mamo. Hello. We have finally reached. And it's so cold. Okay, we're gonna take part here. I'm crossing this one. It's very cold. Oh my god, my legs are freezing. Okay, that's the waterfall. There. I'm also going nearer to the waterfall.
I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time, 'cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving on. And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time.
We are done. Like, can't take it anymore. It's very cold here. So, and also I forgot to say that I have heard everything about Jogini waterfall. I'm not sure if it's true. I heard like Jogini is named after, you know, deities. They worship Jogini Mata here, Jogini Devi here, and it's like if you come and make noise here, then you know वो लोग का आत्मा पीछा करके then possess होके ऐसे होता है. You know, they will go along with you back home. So I heard like that. I'm not sure if it's true or not, but I see people here like making noises and you know with like full speaker. I don't know if it's true. Thank you so much for watching this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much once again. Thank you. Bye. नमो रे शंकरा तुम गा दो. तो हम जानते ही नहीं. नमो नमामि शंकरा. नमो नमामि शंकरा. भोलेनाथ शंकरा. कहे महेश्वरा. नमो नमो रे शंकरा. सब्रजीत शंकरा. जय महेश्वरा. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.